Today we are going to be doing some coding on this website that I have, and as you can see, it's been a while since I've done it because the coding is pretty primitive compared to what I did on my last video for my Spanish website. So basically this stream I'm going to try to make it good. So I'll show you kind of what it's doing right now. I don't know why the CSS isn't working, but just imagine it with CSS. There's not a ton of CSS really. Then I think it is linking up, I just don't know why it's not doing that. So open with live server, and it has this kind of thing here. So I don't know what CSS this has. So it's going to style, which is this guy. So today we're just gonna make this better. It really sucks. So I also have this one. Click here to go back to homepage, so at least that works. Then this is just an idea I had to try to get information. Thanks for submitting. So that's basically how it works. You can click here to see my YouTube channel. You can do that. You can roast my code. I don't know why that's not working. I think what it is the link is not right. Click here to roast my code. So the href needs to be form.html. See, this is some of the things I couldn't figure out when I was there back in the day. Now it works. Okay. I don't know how you actually store what they put in here. So if I put whatever, like my code, so if I wanted to literally just put this website in here into this guy, I don't know how I would, because it's in here, but I don't know how I would be able to access this from the internet. I think that's just stuff that is a bit complicated. I'm gonna just try to get it the front end. I think that's Java. Like, or PHP. No, it's PHP, because I tried doing that one time. So we'll probably, I don't know if we'll do that in this stream, but I want to get this, I actually low-key want to get this website on the internet. It probably won't make enough money to pay for, I'll probably lose money on it, honestly. But it'll be something fun to just have on the internet. I'm not going to make any money off it, unless it helps my channel, which gets me more money. But I'm not trying to make money off this. I'm just trying to learn and have a bit of fun. It's only like $11 a year to get a URL, so from what I've heard, it might be worse. I don't know, or it might be better. Okay, so what is the 11th? So I think this was just a default video thing I was using. So here, yeah, see, I was messing around with the PHP, but I'm gonna delete it because I had no idea what I was doing. Or no, I'll keep it. It doesn't matter. So let's get this. First thing I think I need to do is that is not really formatted good. I thought it was like cool because it's like my channel name and all that, but really you shouldn't be doing this kind of thing. You should be having underscores and not like a bunch of random capitals, because it's just not as good as it should be. So yeah, then that goes to this. So we'll rename these guys. So roast underscore my underscore code, and this might come back to bite me where I have to change something up, but who cares? It will be better in the end. Okay. Roast underscore my underscore code.css. So that's the CSS for this guy. So when I run this, I don't think that will fix it. No, it won't. So I think the CSS is working. Like, it's linked up. But this isn't. I need that picture. So I don't know if I had that in my files. I need that picture though, because that was my background. So, okay. I guess I have to open up my folder. I never like doing this because I don't want you guys to see stuff. But, oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna open that. What I can do though, I can just go here. Especially when I'm live. Okay. Save image as channels 4 profile. So I already have it. I just need to get it again and then do that. Okay, there we go. That's just the way to do it without, yeah, getting into my files. So the quality sucks, and that's not in the coding. That's just because the image is really small. I know I could probably find a picture, the original one, and it's like way bigger. It would look a little better, but I think the original picture, yeah, I don't know. I think the original was definitely better. I made this like in Google Drawings, where I like made the letters, if that makes sense, in Google Drawing. So this logo I actually made. um I don't think it does it, but I do want to also do I want to do like a thing at the top like I did for my Spanish site, or do I just want to kind of see? These are questions, because I mean, this is fine. um Email, phone, so that will just be what that is. I don't really want to actually put anything there yet, because I don't, that's like more personal stuff. So then we have this. Thanks for submit. I think that'll be fine. Roast my code. So yeah, then I have to switch this. See, I told you it would come back to bite me. But it's better I fix it now than later. So if I do this, okay. So let's go here. Welcome to Roast Your Code. So something else I kind of learned is it's better to have all of your CSS on one thing if you can. Now, I think I'll just end up doing it like this, because having to juggle around a ton of different CSS things is not what you want to be doing. You do not want to be, trust me, I had to do it the last time. Am I not going to be able to get that back? Okay, yes. We'll grab you. But having to juggle around a bunch of CSS is not fun. I'll tell you that right now. Okay. So text area, that's just the text box. Then that's just the same. So this guy can go bye-bye. Then all of the CSS will just be roastmycode.css. That's literally what it's going to be. So that all of it has it. So also, it also helps because when you change one thing on the CSS, you don't have to change it for all of them. Now, obviously, there's times when you want your CSS to be different, like you want to use the same variable, but you can always just change the variables, and it's easier than having a bunch of I don't know. I'm still learning. I just think I want to try it out. I want to see if it's easier or harder. So I think this is about honestly where we were a while back until, I lost the picture and I just basically reformatted this. So this is about what it looked like. Okay. Do I want to do a thing at the top? I think it will look better. I think it will look better. So what I'm gonna do I'm actually gonna be a little bit fancy with this. So, okay, if I do the so I'm gonna try something. It might not go good, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try doing it from scratch. If I can't, I can always import it and copy the code from my Spanish website. But I'm gonna try to see if I can. So header. No, I'm not gonna, cause the CSS is gonna mess me up a bit, cause you need to use a list and you need to like get rid of some, but I think I should be fine, like somewhat. So you do header, then everything inside of it's a nav. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that website thing, but that will be in a second. So the nav, then inside the nav, you want a span, which is like the very top thing. Or no, you wanna do it like this kind of. Okay. Roast my code. So I'm literally just I'm just gonna do this. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So right now it's not formatted or anything with the CSS, so it just looks like that. Okay. So header, we're gonna have an ID, and this is where the CSS comes in, of header. So then, see, I'm trying it with the CSS. I'm trying it. Hashtag. I think with IDs you do hashtag. I never can remember. Hashtag header, background color. I'll just do. What's an inviting color? I'll just do black. Okay. So let's look at this. So it does that dumb thing. I don't know why it doesn't like cover it. So then nav ID equals nav, and then li. So these will be the nav links. Then what is that? What you do for a list element? No, it's yes. Okay, unordered list. UL. Yes. Okay. So UL. That will be. We'll have this one be this guy. So it's gonna be. The channel I'm gonna leave for. You know what I'm gonna leave it for. I'm gonna leave it for an actual YouTube icon somewhere. Just trying out something new. I don't think it has to be H2 though. Okay. So you guys will see what the big problem is it does like this. Actually, no, so it should have a bullet point, you just can't see it because should have like here, let me change that to see if I can see it. Because if it doesn't have the bullet point, then that's really good, but because then it's less work for me. Okay, we'll do red. Yeah, see, it has this dumb bullet point, so I have to do CSS to get rid of that, which I forgot how to do. I could maybe try to see if I can do it, but I don't know. So to roast my code, then we'll have okay. We'll have, if I forgot how to do the image thing, y'all, that's gonna be sad. because I just made a video about it. Image. So should be, the image should be that image. Where are you? Source channels for profile.png. Then yeah, so then you do a href equals, then we'll do home, no, roast. I might end up, no, that's gonna be too much work. I was gonna change it to home but there's no point. It would just be more work. But I might do that, honestly. I don't know. Roast my code.html. And I just screwed myself over. Okay. Image. Source. Why is he angry at me? Oh yeah, because I'm like, why are you angry? Okay. That was way more work than it needed to be. But okay. No, you just stop. You stop running away. Okay. Then, yes, so it's a link. It should work. Now I get to have the fun of moving it all around to CSS. So this is what I call a sloppy nav bar. Gotta clean it up with CSS, which makes me mad. That's why I had to copy and paste that from the code camp thing, which I'd basically be copying code camp to my website. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to look at the code and then get tips, because I'm going to try it myself first, obviously, but we'll see how that goes. ID equals home button. That's just what we're going to call it. So then when we do this, background, repeat. What if I do that? Does that fix anything whatsoever? Nope. Yeah, so that's just for the images. So okay. Hashtag, what did I call it? Home button. See, here's the thing. I suck at coding, but we can always get better. That's what I'm trying to do here, y'all. And if you are watching this and you're like, I don't know what's happening. I did not know what was happening. I don't even know what's happening now. I still don't know what's happening in this coding thing. But I know slightly more, I guess, of what's happening. So you can do it. You can do anything. If you try and work hard enough, you can succeed. I wouldn't... I see people saying you can do anything. I'm going to say that's... in context, that's not technically true. But most things, like, you can code. If you wanted to get good at coding, you could put your mind to coding and just become insane at it. But that's going to require hard work. That's why not everyone's insane at coding. And it's going to require time, which not everyone has time to put into coding. So, it's whatever. Whatever you want to do. Okay, home button. So we need to, but just watch this. You can hopefully learn a thing or two. Is all I'm trying to say. Um, so span, align, center. I'm gonna try that. See, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm just trying something. Align, items, center. Let's see. No. Okay. Wait. Am I using the right thing? We'll do that. So you always have to give it a 90. So we'll try that guy. Nope, doesn't work. See? Trial and error. What about span, align, content, center. And when I say you technically can't do anything, you guys hopefully know what I mean. If you don't, I don't want to say it, obviously, but you guys probably know what I mean. Because I'm gonna get taken down like I did a while back. For literally showing you guys how to download YouTube videos. And that's probably gonna get this stream taken down that I just said that. Oh, I should have used more brain cells there. Cause okay, yeah, I'm just not gonna talk about it. Well, I didn't really say what was the bad part about it, but okay, so span, that doesn't work. We know that. What if we do hashtag span? That might be what it was. Align items, center. Okay. Okay, wait. Am I being a goofy goober here? I could be being a goofy goober here right now. Okay. I don't even know if anyone's in chat. I'm sorry. I should probably look at that. I should probably look at that. Let's look. It's gonna play. I should probably look at that. Okay. Moderation helps everyone. Okay. Say whatever you want in chat. That description probably isn't helping me out a ton though. I'm gonna change that up. Just give me 1 second. I don't know. I don't like when it does this description. Remaining time in the current video. Sorry guys, I'm wasting your time. Coding. I'm just gonna literally title this "Please Roast Me" and see if that gets anyone. Please roast me. Or please roast my code. I'm just gonna do that. And see if I can get someone to go in here and roast me. Okay. So, I think it's time we whip out the Spain website because I don't want to waste your guys' time. Okay. So, Spain _ historical vacation. So if I just open up one of these guys, now you guys see my little plan. Okay, so navbar. I'm also gonna open up one of the, because it used see, I was doing it right with the align item center. I was just not. I think it's just a bunch of crap, like all this. Then inspect. Okay, so here's my primitive code. I don't know what to purposes. Okay. So, what I need to figure out is itinerary. So I need to really be looking at this header. So it looks like I just divvied it up here. Okay, so you guys kind of see what's going on here. So we have the image, so I did that right. I was supposed to not do it directly in there though, which might be something. I'm just trying to learn. So, yeah. So I should have. So for the image, wherever that is. So I did this, like ID right here. But I think, yeah, I need to be using divs. That Spain website's basically my cheat sheet for this website. If I need to look at it, I look at it. And it just tells me, because that's the way you learn. But if I don't need to look at it, I don't. Okay, so we'll do that. Then div ID equals home underscore button. Okay. Then we're gonna look at this guy. So I have the UL. Oh, I mixed those up. I'm so sorry, guys. That's probably why it was being weird like it was before. Okay. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done HTML lists, so sometimes you forget. And so I think I just called that nav links, right? Yeah, it doesn't matter, honestly, what I called it, but I'm gonna try to keep it about the same. Class nav underscore links. Okay, so we have nav links. Then all I want to see now is what I do with that. Okay, also the span I need to figure out. So span. I was doing the span somewhat right. I just don't need. I don't need the H1s. I thought you did. To make it like however big you want. But I guess it also makes sense because the top of your page is going to be big no matter what. Because it's the title. Okay. So this is all in the logo container. Okay. So when we look, so we need to find the span with the class. So I don't, wait. What is that class? Okay, so I can actually see the CSS in this too. Okay, so this is just all font crap, besides the margin. Oh! Okay, so I guess that's all I have to do? Oh, wow. That's actually insane. Okay, so what I just realized, guys, if you didn't know. Okay, so basically what I was doing is I was thinking you have to do all this, but you can, like, you have to, how do I put this? So, okay. So we have, I just realized it. So we have all of this, right here. And it's all, like, out of order. We have, like, our title up here for some reason. It's, like, you can't see it, but there. So this is all, like, jumbled around. I was thinking I would have to grab it, like, individual puzzle pieces and move them to the spots they need to be. But I just realized I can basically grab the entire puzzle box and move it in one thing. And that, my friends, is called a div. So I can literally just do this. So I can so that's why it was called logo container, I guess, because that makes sense. I'm just gonna call it logo container. Screw it. Or, you know, I'm just gonna call it title, because I can. Okay. Because I don't want it to be the exact same. So, that actually helps a lot. Let's see if it actually works, though. Okay, so title, then title. So then all I have to do is align items center, so I can actually memorize this. I thought it was going to be a whole lot more, and it probably is. And then flex, what was it? Flex none. It might have been flex none. Display flex, sorry. Okay. That is my bad. Display flex. Okay. Let's see if we got anyone in chat. I want to be checking chat. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's look at... how do I look at chat? I don't know. Okay, I'm not going to waste our guys' time. Even though there's no one watching this. Okay. So, there will be someone watching this someday. There will be. Okay. So, where was I? Let's see if this worked. Okay, so it moved it. I know that somewhat worked. And I'm guessing this... Ooh, so they need to be switched around, is what I'm guessing. So this guy, I'm hoping if I just do this, like that, then it moves it the other way, but that might be me just losing brain cells. Nope, I'm actually somewhat smart. So, it aligned them in the center. We got that done. Now I need to figure out how to get this to where it's not like that weird thing, and to where it actually looks good. So, header. Let's look at this header HTML thing. Display block. Okay, that makes sense. And then Unicode, bitty. I'm gonna just steal this code. Okay. Unicode bitty isolate. I have no idea what that means. I do get kind of what the display block is supposed to do. If I get rid of this. Okay, that didn't work. So, okay. So the header with the ID header. Okay. Here, I need to make this bigger so I can actually see. So the header. Oh, this also needs to be inside of the body. Sorry, guys. This needs to be inside of the body, which could help something. Okay. That doesn't help anything. If anything, it made it worse. Okay. But that's the life, boys. Keep getting better. Okay. So... Okay. So I need to figure out, I'm going to actually pull up the actual, I don't need to do that. Let me, so, header. Is it funny to you that I have two things that are called header images? that one is the width of 60, one is the width of 120, and that I pointed at those the opposite times. Okay, I'm getting tired. Sorry. Okay. um. Okay, so that helps actually. So text decoration none. So and then list style none. So I'm guessing that I might actually need those. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this because I'm not trying to forget that. So and it's what helps. So let me do this. So dot nav links. So for nav, okay. I don't know when to use ID and when to use class. Class, I think, is more for CSS. Who knows? Okay. At least I got rid of the underline. And hopefully the dot thing. See, I could have just copy and pasted, but I'm learning. You see? I'm learning. Okay. So I don't need this. The color, because I had like this variable thing. I don't need that. I'll just do red. Why not? Okay. Display flex. Okay, whatever. So, I'm gonna get a drink of water. Okay. So, I somewhat understand what I'm doing, but I also don't. Okay. Let's get this. So, okay, I've come a little bit far. Let me. There was one thing I need. Okay, so I needed to figure out how to get the header fully filled in. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how you do that. Text decoration none. Okay. Just give me a second. Object fit contain. I'm gonna try that. There's gonna be some useless code along the way that will just stay. Like probably that. Wait, that doesn't even look bad. That right there. Okay. So, like, I don't know why it's not. Could be like I'm using some sort of padding on this. So let me look. I did one time use a margin 0 thing. Like I would do. It's a cool little trick I learned from that one video. Let me try star margin equals 0. Next stream I need to do some Python. That would be fun. Yes, that fixed it, I think. Kind of. Yes, it did. Okay. See, it never fails me. The good old margin zero thing never fails me, and then it screws me over again because I get stuff like this, to where it's literally glued to the side of the screen. So who cares? Um, you just kind of fix that by just adding padding and stuff and whatever. So we'll do that later. Okay. Yeah, so for the what I'll do right now is I'll have a div. Ah, I'm getting tired. Okay. I'm gonna keep going though. I'm gonna keep going. This is fun. Um okay. So div title. Did I ever do anything with that? Align item center display effects. So I need to so now that I have all that figured out, we'll have so navbar. I'm guessing is the same thing as my title. No, logo container is what my title is. I don't think I have a logo. Yeah, I do. So that's all that they had there. So I'm guessing navbar is navbar. I think is just the nav element. What the name they used for that? Yes. So that is just the nav element. And just to make me think, so I don't just copy and paste, I'm just gonna name it nav. So yes, that's what I did. Oh, I've already done that. Then where is my... Because I do not want to just copy and paste. I want to look at it, be able to apply it to my website. And obviously I've copy and pasted a bit from here and there, but most of all, I want to be learning. So I might copy and paste this. Okay. So padding. Okay. So let's just like look at what this does. So display. So okay. So it's just basically makes a box for each element. Each element is like a box, and the boxes have different things inside of them, I guess. And then flex, I'm guessing, makes it to where the box is more flexible to move. It gets out of the way for things that have the display that's not flex. But if you have everything that's flex, then it all kind of just fits together. I don't know. Flex direction column, so that's just, I guess, saying how items are placed by setting the direction. Okay, so I'm guessing if we had it flexed. So I just want to see. What if I did flex direction row? I just want to look at that. I just want to see what it does. Where is this? Okay. I gotta remember to fix that though. I'll remember. I just want to see what it does on Spain. Okay, we'll run. What did I just do? I don't know. The stream just said something, but okay. Stream can be the stream. Okay, so I'm gonna put these guys in here for a second. Ooh. That's actually kind of scrumptious. Okay, so see, I'm learning. So it like if I do row reverse, I'm guessing it puts that there and that there. Let me see. Flex direction, row reverse. Yes, okay. So that's kind of neat. That's neat to know. So that basically just says how things are placed in the box. I think I like column. Justify content. What does that mean? Aligns flex items around the main axis of the current line of the flex container. So space around. So it just puts them evenly, I'm guessing. Align item center. So along the center of the flex container. Okay. Then the position of the CSS properly sets how the element is positioned in the document. The top right and left properties determine the final location of the... Okay, wait. I have no idea what I just read. Okay, so the position CSS property... Okay, so this property sets how an element is positioned in a document. Okay. So it's just positioned where it's positioned, basically. I guess, well, it could have static, relative, absolute, sticky, fixed. So what if I do sticky? I just want to see. What if I do sticky? It's amazing how much one little thing can change your entire website. So it didn't really do much. Okay. Sticky compared to fixed. So that's fixed. That's sticky. Wait, is there a difference? There's no, I think it makes a difference when, like, certain things happen. It will be different, or whatever. But, okay. Width just says the entire area is 100%, I guess. How far the box top margin is offset from the top edge of the box into any block. Boxes contain, so it basically specifies how far this point is from here to here. So let's say if I do 30, if I do top is 30. Did that move it down a bit? I'm gonna do it like 300. Cause I can't notice a difference. What's the difference? What does it do? I'm guessing it's the same thing as this, or it's matters only if... Okay. Background color is gold, which is the variable that I made. I don't know if I'll do that for this one, because it's just a lot more complicated. Okay. And then padding, 10 pixels. If we do padding, 0 pixels. Then it doesn't pad as much, and then it's closer crammed together, which is why it looks better when it's like... Oh no, it's... Oh wait, does it get rid of the changes? Because that ain't how it was before, I remember that. But then if we do 50 pixels, then it looks horrible. Look at this. Whoa, that is just horrible. Okay. So 10 pixels is right where you want to be. I'm going to see what if I do like 5,000. There goes my website. There goes my website. Okay. Yeah, never do that. Never do that. That would be dumb. Okay, so we'll do that. And it just looks like that. Okay. If you want to ruin someone's website, turn their padding to 5,000. They'll never be looking back in this CSS to try to find it. Okay, let's look at chat, just see if anyone's here. Just while I'm giving my mouth a break. Chat. Where you at? Okay. Who knows where chat is? I think we lost him. So that is cool. I do want to steal that though. Okay. So that basically makes it look good. Okay. I know what this means. I'm gonna copy it so I have it over here, but I know what it means. Because I just literally walked you guys through what each one of these mean. So don't get mad at me. Okay, background color. Oh, that's interesting. That's actually interesting. Okay, so I was thinking, okay, that just clicked. So I was thinking that the header is the big, I was thinking that, I don't know what just happened, but you guys, okay. I was thinking that this was the header up here, but it ain't. This is the thing that I forget the name of, the nav bar. The header is just like an invisible idea, I guess. It's an invisible idea. Oh, what am I talking about? Okay. So, now that this is all kind of good, and see what I did there? Flex direction row, we'll do column. Because it's just better that way. It's just better that way. But the background color does have to change. We're going to make that. Can we make it red? We can make it red. Oh, that looks horrible, but it's red, I guess. We have our guy right here, don't we? Yep, we got that guy right there. Okay, we're gonna need another guy, though. Also, okay, something on my Spain historical vacation thing that I actually didn't understand, really, was, something that I, like, I also forgot to... Crap. Okay. We'll do column. Okay, something I actually did forget, or I couldn't understand on my Spain historical vacation thing, was, and it'll probably end up haunting me on this thing too, which is fine. So it's still gonna do this, but oh well. Okay, so I don't know why it's doing that, but just ignore that. What happened? You see how this, like, there's this little gap now? I couldn't figure out why that was, and I don't want to spend the time to fix it. Oh, wait. Wait, I just noticed. Okay. So, every gap is one... You see how it's one next to the... So it's one next, so then it's going to be here. And then it's to the next one. Okay, so... Wait, let me actually try to fix this. So, I think, okay. This actually not. This is gonna give me a headache. I think, okay, let me. Do I just have a folder that I can open to not give me a headache? Spain. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just diving into this. That's how you code. You don't go to no free code camp. You just do. No, I'm just kidding. Free code camp. I love it. Basically inspired my entire both of these websites from their nav bar. I love that nav bar. I've used it so many times. Okay. Crap. Okay, so I need to actually undo that. Don't do that. I'm gonna make a new folder. And just call it website, so I can just get all these guys safely tucked away. There's definitely an easier way to do this, but okay. Then we're gonna add another one that is gonna be called Spain. This is just temporary for now. then we need to go yeet. Okay, so when we do this, see, I'm getting out of hand, but who cares? Who cares? It's just me chilling. Okay, so this one's pricing. So it does one before, I'm guessing. Did this fix? No, it didn't fix itself. Okay. Let me fix that first, because that's annoying me. Annoying the crap out of me. Okay, you just stop being a row and you be a column. Because you're not a row, you're a column. Okay. It would be fine if everyone else was a column, but it's just annoying now. Okay, so, for some reason it doesn't, I guess it does it. So it starts at pricing. Or wait, no, it does it over here too. Because it does it right here and then phrases. No, because that's, yeah, that's, it might be what it might be. Is it might be like it trying to center it. Why would it be trying to center it though? Like that. That would be like the weirdest way to do it. Wait. So it's trying to use the thing that's making it centered. That makes it uncentered. I'm confused. Okay, crap. Okay, well, it's all the same CSS. I wonder. I actually wonder. If I were to just do this, I'm not going to delete the other CSS, but I'm just going to put it on hold. I'm going to put the other CSS on hold and see if I link it up to all to style, if it remotely works, and then if we're all on the same page with CSS, I can not worry about that, because if one thing's broken, they'll all be broken. That will look better because they're all broken instead of just one of them being broken, if you know what I mean. Okay, then style plus would make me not have to juggle around 15 things of CSS. Okay, so obviously this is completely screwed up. Okay, so what it is it's I could fix this, but it would take forever. So basically, why this isn't working and why it's different than what it was before is I have divs that are named specific names based on the CSS that the div is using. So I could technically change the div names, but that would take forever. See, that's why I do it like differently. Okay. Why am I trying to fix this website that I've already presented on? What am I doing? I just want to see, does this fix it though? Okay, I'm happy. The thing's fixed. Okay, the margin is completely screwed up, but it's fixed somehow. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do the. Okay, is there? Because I needed to star margin 0. Okay, what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be my last little gander. This is gonna be my last gander, I swear. Div, if I change all these to just div. Just change all the divs to div. Hear me out. gonna be a little bit less organized, but who gives a crap? Not me. Okay. Okay, div. And then div. That's my gander. That is my gander done. That's my gander done. I think I just fixed it. Yes, I don't need 15 different things to see. Oh, it's like a miracle. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. I've been using 15 different things of CSS to change one different word. Look. Info. The same exact thing. The next one. Info. Or no. No. That's not even the right one. Because these two are both using info. Oh, no, no. Every one of them has info, and then itinerary. And then watch what's going to change. This is not, instead of being itinerary, it's going to be phrases. Yep, phrase. Then that instead of being phrase is going to be pricing. Oh, it also screwed up the map. Who cares? Yeah, I think it actually did screw up the map. There was a little map guy I had at the bottom. No, he's chilling. He is chilling. Yeah, it's literally chill. Okay. That's coding for you, y'all. So now I can delete all these guys. Let's get these guys out of here. So, I just learned something. I don't need to have 15 different things of CSS. I can just use one for all of them. That's handy dandy. Okay. What was I gonna do now? Yes, I was gonna clean this up. So I don't need this email thing because that's from that. Don't need this. I'll need the root. I don't need this. I don't need that. Okay, that is good. That is good. I also don't think I need these guys. I'm gonna gamble and say I don't need them. I'm going to gamble and say I don't need them. And if it looks good, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so I basically just successfully cleaned up this, my cheat sheet. So why this looks off center is because this guy. I think it's centered with this, not that. I think I've said that a lot before, but it's whatever. I mean, it's kind of annoying, but it also makes sense, so it's not really annoying. Because it makes sense, because this is like the home button. Okay. Alright. How long have I been going for? I'd say at least 2 hours. Oh, only an hour? Golly. I fixed my website. But I fixed 2 websites. Things that were annoying. In less than an hour. Okay, that's neat. Okay, did it delete these guys too? I don't know how that works actually. Okay, let me. Ooh, yeah, okay, so it's not gonna actually do that. So Spain, so the actual Spain historical, so this is this. That's that. So I can basically, what I can do is I can delete this. How do I delete a stupid file that I don't want? There's a way to do it. Can you just like not be here anymore? That'd be nice. Crap. Okay. I know, like, anyone who actually knows computers watching this is cringing. Spain. Spain. I'm about to fall asleep. I've only been doing this for an hour. That's actually wild. Oh, wow. I have not been doing this for long. Feels like I've been doing this forever. Feels like I've been doing this forever. We're chill, though. We're chill. Okay, please say someone's watching. Yes, someone's watching. Roast my code. Shout out to you. I think coding's just not like a popular, as popular as a thing as like gaming and stuff. So that's why it's easier to get like gaming subs than it is coding subs. Okay. Cool. So, what was I trying to do? I was trying to delete the other one so I don't get them mixed up. So let's do that real quick. Okay. Yeah, I just got rid of it. Didn't really do anything though. So in HTML. Okay, so Spain. No. Okay. Spain. Historical vacation. Can I just get rid of you? Okay, yes, I can. Finally. Die. Okay. I guess we'll just be an empty folder, because you can be that. You be you, empty folder. You be you. Oh, I can actually delete you? Cancel. Okay. We still have this guy, though. Yes. Okay. Then what's this? Okay, I guess I can just delete all these. Whatever. It can be an empty folder. I don't care. Okay, so we did this. We did this guy. That's cool. Okay, let's keep working on this. Okay. I did make the channel logo killing two birds with one stone. Also using it for a multimedia project. So it should be somewhere. It is a Google drawing, so what I'll have to do. Drawing. Okay. Untitled drawing. So we have this. We're gonna have to. Oh, this is gonna give me a headache, isn't it? Yep, it is. Okay, so I need to first, before I can do anything, go on Google. Download. Okay. Yeah, it's a PDF for some stupid reason. Okay. Okay. I know how I could do this. I could go. I know exactly how I would get this to where it can be bigger. I don't really want to do that way though. So, what I'm gonna do is something called. Oh, I forgot. I can't do screenies on stream. I almost just screwed the stream. Please don't tell me that screwed the stream. Yeah, because one time I tried doing screenies on stream. Okay, I'll do that after the stream. Okay. Alright. So, we're just gonna have to deal with it. That fact that it sucks. Okay. Okay, so we could do with making that a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. So, CSS. Okay. Span. Font. Size. 100 pixels. Ooh, that's big. Okay. Font size, 50 pixels. Okay, that font does suck. I could use the Francis font, but okay. Yeah, the Francis font would look better. Because that's the one that I use for this guy. Okay. It looks a lot better than that would. Okay. Font type Francis. Type. I don't want to do that. Because it's not going to work. I already know it's not. Okay, so that's just going to be that. Crap. Okay. Also, we have that problem. So how did I fix that? I fixed that by doing the div. I remember that. So you get the same problems over and over again in coding. That's coding for you. So yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna do a div here and then just call it a day. Oh, well, not like on the stream, but call this a day. Or I might call it a day on the stream, who knows. I'll just do that whenever I get bored, but I've got time. Div. And anytime I want to do it where it just gives me the div class, I'm going to do class. Anytime I just want to do a div that just works and doesn't throw a fit, I'll just do div class of div. And then what that'll do is we'll have this friend named .div. .div. Okay. How much margin did we do on that? Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Then we're gonna go. Okay. .div. We are literally just gonna copy and paste that because I am too lazy to do something else. Okay. Right, so that should have fixed that. To where it's now not. Oh, it's still throwing a fit. Why is it doing that? What? Ooh. Okay. It's worse than it was before. Alright, .div. I literally just do .div. Alright, I'm gonna call that a day. I think I've done pretty good today. Yeah, I think I've made it better. I've fixed some of the Spanish website. I don't think if I keep going, I'm just gonna get tired, more tired. So, yeah, let's call that a day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.